Travessa, so Armaze, Velho. We're gonna walk down this kind of interesting looking street right here. Yeah, that looks really cool. Yeah, that looks really nice.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. That's going to be our focus, but I just want to show you this is the context where we're at. So we're kind of in all these little alleys. There's this main street right down this way. There's this kind of car coming at me right now slowly, and then this one. So we're kind of like in this area where there's kind of a small little alleyway kind of thing. That one is gonna, so let's go down that focus right here. Armaze, Velho. Velho, I think, is, making sure that truck wasn't behind me. Kind of cool. Little chair right there. Okay. Looks like a new space right there. Okay, that looks interesting. There's a little thing down there. This is still our focus, but I think I want to just walk down and just see what this is real quick. I don't think I've been on this street. I feel like I've been everywhere in Macau, but then I'll see something that I just never really saw. That looks interesting. I have been here before. Yeah, we're gonna just go around in a corner like this. There's some, okay. Okay. I'm not gonna go down there with a dog. Kind of opened up in a nice plaza, but we might run into that dog over here. Let's just see how that works, how that comes around. Anyways, this is kind of a cool little street. And we're gonna keep going down our main one. We'll see if that little patio thing connects in a minute or not. Kind of, I have been down that one too. Looks, but we want to keep on our focus, which is this one. And I think to the left is where we saw that dog. And there's a little park, plaza, square. There it is. Oh, this is different. So that was, there's actually another one on the other side of the wall, which is where we saw that dog at, right? And then this is just kind of a small little one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. That's good for circulation. Okay, so what we're going to do is get my shoes back on again, continue our walk. Wow, feels good. I think that's going to be the end of our street. So that's kind of interesting. That little plaza looks like it's like maybe kind of hidden in that corner, and that might be somebody's dog, and that dog must know not to come out and attack people that are right at that spot. But if you went a little bit further, it might become quite aggressive, possibly. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna come out at this spot. Kind of cool. That's our street right there. So that was the street that we just did. Pretty cool. Nice.
Chiquinha.